Welcome to Jobs Ali. I'm here today with the latest notification issued by the Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited (BECIL) for 3,000 skilled and non-skilled worker jobs. I'll give you complete details regarding this BECIL recruitment. Kindly watch this video till the end to know complete details like educational requirements, salary, number of vacancy, everything. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button given below and also enable the bell icon to get notifications of all the latest government job videos we update. And if you are watching this video in Facebook, kindly like our Facebook page and also share this video to your friends. Coming to the notification, the BECIL has issued a notification for 3,000 vacancies. Vacancies are skilled manpower, 1,500 vacancies, and the qualification is ITI certificate in electrical trade or wireman from a recognized vocational training institute or higher technical degree diploma in engineering and or which shall possess overhead certificate for electrical safety. If you have completed this ITI or diploma in the electrical safety, you can apply for the skilled manpower post. 1,500 vacancies. The salary will be 9,381 rupees per month. You should have minimum 2 years of experience in electricals and your age should be between 18 to 45 years. Unskilled manpower 1,500 vacancies. You must be 8 pass from a recognized board and you should have minimum 1 year experience, that is preferably in electrical system. Age should be between 18 to 45 years of age and salary will be 7,613 rupees 42 paise per month. To apply for this BECL jobs, you have to apply online through www.beciljobs.com or you can submit physically the application form. You can directly submit the application form at BECIL corporate office. The address has been given here. The application fees. If you are submitting the application directly at corporate office, you have to pay the application fees through demand draft, and if you are applying online, you have to pay the application through NEFT or RTGS. The application fees should be paid in favor of Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited, Corporation Bank, account number 51034100702746, IFSC Corp 0000371, and the Corporation Bank address is Bank CGO Complex Lodi Road, New Delhi. The application fees will be 500 rupees for general OBC candidates and 250 rupees for SC, ST and physically handicapped candidates. To apply online, you have to open the official website, that is beciljobs.com. You will get all the notifications here. These two vacancies are for this notification: unskilled manpower 1,500, skilled manpower 1,500 vacancies. If you want to apply for the skilled manpower, click here, or unskilled, you can click here to apply. The application page will be open like this. You have to fill all the details: your first name, middle name, last name, complete details, email ID and mobile number you have to give correctly. You have to fill your address and then click on next page. Before submitting the online application, you have to ensure all the details as filled correctly without any mistake. And if you want to apply and if you want to submit the application directly to the BECIL corporate office, you can download the application from here. And this BECL jobs is purely on contract basis for the government project Paschimachal Vidyut Vitaran Nigam Limited PVVENL Uttar Pradesh, and there is no assurity of permanent job. Hope you all like this video. Kindly click on the like button and also share this video to your friends. To get latest government job related videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook. Thanks for watching Jobsali.